Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ruby Red. For today's video, I have a brand new Fashion Nova Curve and Janet Guzman collaboration haul. So they did this collaboration launch recently, so I'm trying out a few of the pieces from this collaboration. If you know, she is a Fashion Nova icon. She's the girl we all think of when we go on the Fashion Nova website and check out all the clothes. So had to do a little haul of this. So all of these pieces and more from the collection can be found in the link in the caption, so be sure to check that out. Let's jump on in and see how some of these pieces fit. First up, we have the Lana faux leather bra top in red, and to pair with it we have the Vivian faux leather lace up pants in red as well. So there's a lot of leather in this collection, which I absolutely love, a lot of faux leather, and I love the fit of these pants. So I actually got a size up in this. Normally I go with XL, this time I went with 1X just because leather tends to not be as giving and as stretchy. However, I do think that I could have gotten my true size, either an XL or maybe even a large. I think a large would be pushing it, but an XL, this would fit a little bit more snug. So I should have gone with my true size. And then in the bra top, it fits pretty true to size. There's a lot of room because you can tie it in the back and kind of adjust it however you want. But overall, love the fit. I think this is so cute, the back of these pants, how they kind of have this V dip in the back. So it covers just enough, but kind of gives you like this fun little hemline that's like a dip V in the back. And then you have the flare legged as well, which is a pretty trendy style of pant, I'd say. This kind of flare at the end, of course, has that low rise back, but both of these pieces definitely have a whole lot of stretch, which I think is necessary when it comes to faux leather. You can get your true size or maybe even a size down in this, but love this fit. It is super sexy, perfect for spring and summer that's coming up, and just love it in the red leather. It is also available in black leather. Next up is the Rosalie faux leather maxi dress in black. This is also available in a burgundy color as well, all through 3X. This is a sweetheart neckline. It is strapless, but it does have some kind of grip tape on the side to keep it up. There is some underwire in the cuffs as well, and then it has a lace up back, a slit that goes pretty high in the back, as well as somewhat of a zipper feature closure in the back. Maybe a little bit more in the skirt part, but of course it is all one piece, and the lace you can tighten or loosen however you want in the back. Overall, I love the fit of this dress. I think it's so cute and sexy. I definitely want to get it in the burgundy color now just because of how much I like it in the black, and it's definitely something I'm going to keep in my collection and wear out somewhere. Next up is the Kiss and Don't Tell faux leather corset top in black. Again, extra small through 3X. So this is just like a halter top, sweetheart neckline, sleeveless top that has some pretty decent stretch. And I honestly love that it just kind of pushes your girls together and holds them up as well, which I think is super important. And then we have the Estelle faux leather maxi skirt in black, again, extra small through 3X. So this is a very interesting maxi skirt. It has this kind of twist or knot detail in the front. It does have a high slit in the front as well, is lined. It does have a back zipper closure. It says non-stretch. I think there is a little bit of give when it comes to the skirt, but it does fit really well. And then of course you have the Ruby Shrug in black, which is only available in extra through extra large. And so this is kind of like a mesh bolero top. It's long sleeve sheer. It does have the cuff kind of leather details to tie it all in the outfit together. And it does have some decent stretch. So I love this like leather and mesh type of combination. I think it's super sexy and just very stylish. Of course, there's a lot of leather in this collection and I'm absolutely loving it. Lastly, from this collection, we have the Suki open back maxi dress in black. This is also available in a cream as well. This is available in sizes extra small through extra large. So this has a mock neck, long sleeves. Of course, it is backless. It does have a lace up back as well, double lined and stretched. So this is pretty sheer of a dress, I'm not even gonna lie to you. And it's definitely something that you're gonna wanna wear some pasties like I did and some nude underwear underneath as well. You can wear black and just kind of have it stick out if you want as well. So this does kind of lace up the back. You can tighten it, loosen it however you want. And it's just very crisscross and detailed. So you can tighten it, loosen it however you want. And it's just a completely open back, which I think is super cute and super just fun. Overall, I'd say this is my least favorite dress just because of how it fit, but I do think that it is very sheer and very sexy. So if you're looking for that it kind of factor, this would be that dress. Thank you guys so much for watching my Janet Guzman and Fashion Nova collab haul. Please be sure to comment and let me know which look was your favorite. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you be part of my notification gang. If you're looking for extra exclusive content, check out the links in the caption below. Thank you guys so much for watching.